Well, we're open. 2 minutes. Hot. And that's with a large H. Bleak right now for customers. Lots of vendors, not many customers. Not that I blame them. Look at that baby. Uh-oh, here comes my leader. One meager cantaloupe, some peaches. She's 2 cantaloupes short. Parking lot is coming in.
That perfectly ripe cantaloupe.
But only one. That won't last till tomorrow. I'll eat that tonight.